Hi! Today we're going to learn a new page in our book. So the first thing I'd like you to do is take a look at page 6 in your book. It kind of looks like this. If you're looking, percussion, yours might look a little different if you're looking at your snare book. Page 6 is a very special page because of this box at the top that says Notes and Review. And I will have your specific notes for your specific instrument on here too. But basically what this does is it shows us all of the notes we've learned so far. So there's 5 notes we've learned so far. And this page 6 puts them all with their fingerings at the top. So if you ever get confused or lost, you can look at page 6 and or at the top of the page here, and you can find your fingerings. Okay, that's super important while you're just starting out. And the other thing I want to mention about learning this new music is that in the book they've taken away all of the note names, right? And we learned a lot of the note names from using the First Notes practice pages where we just had a couple at a time. But what I want to say is that if this is something that you're finding difficult, is knowing what note to play, write in your note names. That's okay right now, okay? So on number 14 is what we're going to start with today. You can write in all of your note names while you're looking at number 14 and to help you read those. And then you can use that notes and review section to help you figure out what the fingerings are, okay? So write in your note names if you need to. If you don't feel like you need to, that's totally okay too. But do that before we start the lessons, and that way you will feel more comfortable, okay? It's not cheating to do these things. You need to do whatever it is that you need to do to help you figure this stuff out, okay? Same thing if you need to circle rests or you need to circle specific notes if you keep messing them up. Using a pencil on your music is really important, and if we were in person, we would be talking about it all the time. I carry a huge stack of pencils that I'm handing out all the time. So make sure you have a pencil in rehearsal. A good friend of mine always said there are 2 kinds of musicians with pencils and musicians without jobs. Okay, it's super important. Even the pros use them all the time. So don't be afraid to write in your book. It's totally fine. It's your book. It's meant to be written in. And good luck. Okay.